Hello guys, it is Snowy Matthew here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a render like the one that is on screen right now. So first you're going to want to go into Roblox Studio, and if you need more help with this stuff you can watch my other video on how to import your character into Blender. So first you're going to want to get your character, and I'm just putting the clothes on this character so it can be dead center in the world. And then I'm just taking the hair into a separate model so I can export it just like separately so I can move them. So you just want to kind of pose it as best you can. It doesn't really matter because you can do this in Blender as well. And people don't usually put faces on, but just for this I'll put a face on. So now I have my character, I can export selection and just save it anywhere. Make a folder called nodes and export that, and as well as your hair or accessories. So now you're going to want to open the rig, which is in the description below for you to download. And once you open this, you're going to see this, and you're going to want to scroll in and hold your scroll wheel, like click it so you can move around. That's how you move around in Blender. And then just click on your textures that have been exported. And then you want to get your hair. Yep, looking good. Okay, so now all you want to do is go here, click on your hair. While holding control, click on A_head attachments, and then hover your mouse over this grid and hit Control P and click object. So that makes it so the hair moves with your head. So basically what you're going to want to do is click on your character so it has an orange outline on the joints, and click over here and click pose mode. So now if you go to rotate, you can rotate and it like stretches with it, and you can pose however you like. So I'm just going to go and do a simple pose, and I shall be back. Okay, now that I have my pose complete, what you're going to want to do is click on this little toolbox thing here. You're going to want to change cycles to Eve, and then just click all the boxes that I am clicking. This is just to get it in higher quality. Then I'm just going to save here because my stuff always crashes, so you can do that too if you don't have that good of a computer. And then you're going to want to click this little bubble icon in the bottom right, and that's going to take you into like shading mode. And you're going to want to go to go back into object mode, and you're going to want to click on add, and then you're going to go about light and sun. This part is really up to you. You don't have to add a sun, but for me, you can add a light instead, and you can kind of just position this however you like. So if to add a light, you just go to add, under light just go to point, and then to edit it you just go into this little green icon, and you can change the color, the intensity, the radius, everything here. So we can change this to 250. It goes brighter. This can kind of act like a sun basically. Sun's just pre-built. And say you want to do like an aura, you just change it to like say red or something, or blue. Be like kind of an aura. Yeah, let's do blue. Or no, it's kind of a, yeah, do purple because of the shirt. So then I'm just gonna save this. Then we can go to add and then camera. So for me, my camera To go into camera, you hit 0 on your number pad. And I think for anyone who's new, who hasn't made any difference to their preferences, it's Shift and then the squiggly line next to 1. For me, it's Shift F. And then you can just use WASD and Q and E to go up and down to pose your camera. So I just want to maybe go here, and if you click and press R, you can rotate your camera. So maybe just like that. Looks pretty nice. And so yeah, now we got our character. Now we just gotta like take the picture. So we're gonna click this toolbox again, go to film, and then click transparent. This is how you don't get any background. So you want to go back into camera mode, and then click render, render image. So now you have your render with a complete background. Then you can just hit image and save as, and then save it as your render. So yeah, basically if you upload this into Photoshop, you will just upload your character. There'll be no background at all, and that's what really renders are. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I will make some other tutorials on how to actually make some other types of ones, like the ones on screen now, in later videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later.